a big bloods. Yeah. I'm gonna neck on me. Yeah. I'm getting jacked.
This kid's super talented. He's a big, powerful, badass heavyweight who moves like a middleweight. No, you moron!
Conor! I'm getting jacked.
That's what you call too tough for your own good.
Stop it! Dana!
Relax. Take your time. Heal up. You're not going anywhere.
Unbreakable titanium shin bone.
Conor! It's good to be back!
It's always fun to have Conor back.
Da 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 da! It's the mother D-O-double-G!
Who the is that guy?
Who?
Thank you very much.
Me and Dana have always had a great relationship throughout the years. You know, we've gone and we've done amazing things together.
Conor McGregor is one of the biggest stars ever in combat sports, period.